I thought a lot before getting this necklace because I'm not really a silver person. I'm just gonna do some blush. Also, when I say blush, I just mean eyeshadow that I use as blush. I don't really mind using eyeshadow in other places on my face. I'm pretty sure eye products are very safe because they're very close to the eye. I don't like the feel of choker necklaces usually. I like for there to be a little bit of room. Here's it on. I put it so that the flower is kind of in the middle right here, and you can barely see the heart, but the heart one is really cute too. I'm gonna switch my white one for my pink one today. Alright, I'm gonna head out. So bright, whoa. Look, hella whitewashed. Windy outside. It's really nice. I'm definitely gonna go on a walk since I still have some time. While I was there, I literally changed places 3 times. The first time I was so cold because I was right underneath an air vent, and all of a sudden it turned on and I was like, I looked up and I was like, crap, I'm right under it. So I moved and then it kept getting more and more cold. So after I went to the bathroom, I moved a 3rd time. This is a good reminder to always bring a jacket. The sun is starting to set, so I'm gonna go. Today's a Sunday, and that means it's a cleaning day, but it's 3:40 p.m. right now and I haven't cleaned yet, and I just don't want to do it, meaning I have to basically turn this into a game for myself to get me to finish. So my goal is to finish in 90 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer and let's make it yellow and then save. And okay, the timer started. I always accidentally end up collecting random things in my scrubs, so I have a little pile here of whatever that stuff is. In time. It's literally so cold in my room right now. Tomorrow I have work. It doesn't start until 11 a.m. I'm currently working on prep. I have 11 patients left to finish prepping. I'm gonna try to finish the last 11 patients in 60 minutes. I just finished with 12 minutes to spare. I'm gonna take my contacts out and then go and sleep. I just looked at my hair right now and I was like, I need to wash it. So I'm gonna put oil in my hair first. But I need to clean up the chart that I wrote this morning. Tastes so good. You know when people like do this and they can crack their fingers? Why can't I do that? I have to like individually sit here and do it one by one. I guess the overall effect is still the same, but that just seems cool to do it all in one go. It's been a while since I last filmed. I think it's been a couple of days. So tomorrow is a Thursday, which means it's a work day. And I have a couple more charts left to prep. We don't start until 10 a.m. tomorrow. It is 2:22 a.m. Hopefully the chart prep will only take an hour and then I'll go to sleep. I definitely should not have kept it until this late, but I already did some of them, so I'll be okay. I want to go outside to get some work done for a bit, so I'm trying to figure out what to wear. I don't know if I want to wear this pink shirt or this t-shirt, maybe even the two combined. They look kind of like they would match, maybe. What's the weather? That may help. Okay, it's 74 degrees. Honestly, I think today's the t-shirt day. I just want to be comfortable. Does this wash go better? Should I do a lighter wash? Try this on first. I'm using 04 today.
Just get my heart pumping every time that you hear around me. 노래 소리가 들려나와. Humid out air calling me you. I'm always so excited to meet you. 내 향기가 널 먼저 찾아가. Yeah. 눈 감아도 기억나게. 어디 가도 따라갈래. You're so delicate, 거품 속에서만.
I still have 6 charts left, but I'm gonna finish those once I come back from my walk because it is starting to get dark outside. I wonder if my leggings are dry. I bet them into the washer.
이미 우리 저기 멀리 높이 있네 항상 같이